The future of remote software developers in Europe. Key predictions for 2025. The tech world is evolving rapidly, and Europe is at the forefront of one significant shift: remote contractor roles for software developers. Are you ready for the opportunities and challenges 2025 will bring? Let's explore the trends shaping this growing sector and how you can stay competitive. Remote work is no longer a passing trend. It has become the new normal, and Europe is leading the charge. Flexible work arrangements grew exponentially post-2020, and by 2025, contractors are expected to dominate software developer hiring across industries. Businesses have realized that contracting remote developers offers agility, scalability, and cost savings. From startups to large corporations, companies can now tap into a broader, global talent pool to meet their evolving project needs. By 2025, European tech companies will likely favor remote contractors over traditional full-time employees for specialized roles. Several factors explain the escalating demand for remote software developers. One major driver is the rise of advanced collaboration tools. Platforms like GitHub, Jira, and Slack allow teams from multiple time zones to work seamlessly. Enhanced video conferencing technologies and virtual reality tools are also improving how teams brainstorm and innovate remotely. Another factor is talent scarcity. With a growing skills gap across Europe, particularly in areas like AI, cloud computing, and blockchain, hiring flexible contractors from a global pool becomes a strategic solution. Businesses no longer need to restrict themselves to local talent. Finally, the economic benefits are undeniable. Remote contractors reduce operational costs while offering companies the ability to scale teams up or down quickly based on project demands. These efficiencies will remain pivotal in 2025's hiring decisions. What roles should you keep an eye on for the future? Certain areas are projected to explode in demand for contractor developers. Let's list a few top contenders. AI and machine learning will stand out as top hiring priorities. Companies across Europe are pouring resources into automating processes and creating smarter applications. If you're skilled in TensorFlow, PyTorch, or other AI frameworks, you're on the right track. Cloud infrastructure specialists will also be in high demand. As companies move to fully cloud-based operations, roles focused on AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud architecture will soar. Meanwhile, blockchain developers will gain popularity as industries like finance and logistics explore Web3 innovations and secure transaction solutions. Mobile app development isn't slowing down either. Developers focusing on cross-platform frameworks like Flutter or React Native will be highly sought after. The need for user-friendly apps in healthcare, e-commerce, and entertainment sectors remains strong. While opportunities abound, navigating the future of remote contracting won't be without obstacles. The first challenge? International taxes and regulations. By 2025, European governments may roll out stricter guidelines for remote contractors to ensure taxation compliance and data security standards are met. Another hurdle will be heightened competition. With more developers striving for remote contracts, standing out requires mastering niche technologies and building a strong personal brand backed by a standout portfolio. Developers can no longer afford to be generalists. Lastly, maintaining a healthy work-life balance will prove tricky. Longer hours and burnout are risks for remote contractors juggling multiple clients across different time zones. Developers will need to focus on clear boundaries and time management skills to thrive long-term. What can you do now to position yourself as a sought-after contractor in 2025? A few smart steps can give you a competitive edge. First, invest in continuous learning. Stay updated with certifications in cloud technology, DevOps, blockchain, or any future-proof programming skills. Specialized knowledge will make you an indispensable asset to companies. Second, build a professional network. Join developer communities on LinkedIn, GitHub, and other platforms to learn about projects, trends, and opportunities. Active contributions to open-source work can also enhance your reputation. Lastly, focus on soft skills. Despite being remote, employers value developers who excel in communication, problem-solving, and cross-cultural collaboration. Demonstrating these traits will distinguish you from competitors in Europe's remote job market. By 2025, European companies will prioritize speed, flexibility, and expertise when hiring contractors. This is good news for those who can adapt quickly to tech advancements and tackle complex challenges. Emphasis will likely grow on results-driven collaboration, where contract developers deliver measurable outcomes rather than clocking hours. Diversity will also play a critical role. Many organizations are intentionally seeking global teams with varied perspectives to improve innovation. Developers who can adapt culturally and technically will enjoy more contracts and long-term partnerships. The future of remote software development contracting in Europe is bright, but success will depend on how effectively you prepare. Focus on sharpening your technical expertise, building connections, and embracing tools that enhance remote collaboration. It's time to future-proof your career. Don't wait for 2025 to arrive. Take action now. Start by identifying in-demand skills, enhancing your portfolio, and joining networks that connect remote developers to top-tier European clients. Subscribe for more updates on this evolving field and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's shape the future of tech together.